Hello friends, the topic of today's video is how you can make your TikTok following list only me. If it's set to everyone, then your following list will be seen by others. So for those of you who require this security option, you should definitely set it to only me. Often aking po sinayat po siya. Watch the entire video without skipping. First, I'm going to open the TikTok application. Then I will click on the three dot button. You need to click the three dot button right here in this corner. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. And then you must click on the privacy option here. Then keep scrolling down until you reach the bottom. After coming down, you'll see that my following list here is set to everyone. You need to click right here and then choose the only you option. Once you've set it to only you, your entire following list will no longer be visible to any of your other friends. This particular level of security is absolutely essential at the very least. Once you have activated this security setting, it will perform many tasks, so whatever features it requires, please make sure to enable them. I have already activated it for you. For all of you who have followed along and understood the entire process without any difficulty up to this point, please consider subscribing to my channel and to receive notifications for more interesting videos like this in the future. Don't forget to hit that bell icon.